This is the simple way you can start using it. Are you comfortable, all of you? Hello.
It is, yeah.
Okay. Now, how do we write an else statement? So if the if condition is not true, what to do? So by default, we'll go to the else statement and it will execute it. This is the structure for it. So now elif, if the first condition is not true, which is if, then go to the elif. If it is not true, then go to the else, something like that. So here, this is the elif also, you can use it. Now there is one more way you can set the condition, and that's for using the ternary operator. Okay, so here you set the variable. If the first statement is true, okay, if statement is true, if condition, else the statement second will run. So run the first statement if this condition is true, else run the second statement. So this is also something you can do that. So here you see that there is a one more way to use this. So number is a integer 5. If number is equal to 5, which is there, then print number is 5, else print number is not 5. Here truthy and falsy value. So here you can see that number is equal to 5 if number. So here if number means here you are trying to test if number is defined or not, whether it's empty or non-empty. So it's defined, of course. So here it will print the number is defined and truthy. Here text is equal to Python. Here it says if text is defined, then print text is defined and truthy. Now here you can also play with a boolean and none. So here you see the Python course is equal to true. That's a boolean. So here it says, hey, if Python course is true, then run this will execute. If Python course is not true, let's say if you false, set it a false, then it will not print. So that also you can use with the if condition with a boolean. Here none also you can use it. Not if also is being used in the Python many times. So here if you see that first you look at the if number is not equal to 5, this will execute. But if you want to put it in a different way, so what we are doing here, if not Python course which is set, then print this one. So not if also is available in the Python, which you can do that. If you are not comfortable with the truth table, then I think this you can use it. And, or, XOR, and NAND. This is the truth table. Not only is for the Python, but different languages also is being used. Are you comfortable with it? This one? All of you? All of you? Hello?
Yeah, Rajesh. Good.
Yeah. Okay, so how do we set the multiple if conditions? So multiple if conditions means here Python course is here is a boolean and true if number is equal to 3 and Python course. So here you have logical AND. So here this is true and this is true, print this will execute. This is true or this is true, this will execute. So like that logical. So here if you see the truthy table, or this is one, A true or B true, what it will return. So here false false false, false true true, true false true, true true true, or means this is the table. So you need to remember this one also. You can use also ternary or operator. Bigger means run this command bigger, and if A is greater than B, else smaller, like that. So now this is something, this is how we use the conditioning in the Python. Now next thing is how do we do the looping? How do we do the looping? So for the looping, we have a for iterator and while iterator. So how do we use it? So here you see that while, this is the skeleton, while condition is true, do this, else next statement. So here look at this here, if x is equal to 1 0, which is the integer data type, while x is less than 10, which is actually the print count is a formatted formatting print value. So here count is equal to curly braces 0 and format x, and keep incrementing x plus is equal to 1. That means keep incrementing on the each loop. So every time you run it. So this is also we can use while. You can use also for loop. So here you can say for variable initratable, run this statement, else do this one. So how do we use it? See here, for name is one variable and of the list, which is a student underscore names. So this is the list will be declared, and then whatever the elements of the student underscore name will be set every time in the name. It will run that many number of time the element of student underscore names, and then it will come out of it. So here one other code, this is used to be legacy one. So this is also infinite loop. Here you see while everything is true, and it will keep on running. So if number is equal to 42, then break it. So it's infinite loop, means while true means every time is true, there's no conditions as such, but it will break it the moment it reaches the if number is equal to 42. So like this. And now dictionary. So how do you define the dictionary? So you define the dictionary in the key and value format. You see that name is equal to key, mark is equal to value, student ID is a key, 15163 is a value, something like that. So how do you access this dictionary? So this is the dictionary which is having a single key and value, but this is the list. Mind it is a square bracket. Is a list which contains the dictionary, because I told you list can contain any data types including dictionary. So here this is the one. How do you access the dictionary data? So you have to call the key. So name is equal to key, you will get a mark output. Last name, and if this last name is not in a dictionary, you will not get anything. It's a key error actually. So that means that key is not found actually. So like that you will see that. So you can also delete that any key using the del command. Here you can see that somewhere at the downside. Student.get the last name. So get is a one function where you specify the key, you will get the value. Also you can specify the dot keys also, and you can feed the values like that. So other data types in Python, we have a complex, long, byte, byte array, tuple, set, and frozen set, and many more also right now out of the scope. Okay, so how do you do the demo? So let me show you the demo for this. So come to this page. Here, all the types of data types which you see here, uh, numbers, string, list, dictionary, which we have here, and so on. So let me show you the some of the number type, and these all the example code. You can run it, and let me show you this is the number. So look at this here. This is commented if you look at this properly. So what you have to do, you have to uncomment, and so here x is equal to 10, x is y is equal to minus 10, yz is equal to. So this is the simple printing. So let me run this code, clear the screen. See here. Now you want to print the float also. So this is the float, and here. So this is the way you can work with it. Now next one is string. So let me show you the string. So this is the string type. Copy this. See here. Here this is the string, and here you are trying to find out the length of this string. Okay. Here what you are trying, this is the string x in single quote, this is string, and you are trying to replace with world with universe and print the y. Here you are trying to split. This is the one string separated by one constant comma. So split by this one and try to print n and red or something. This is the index of first element, which is red. Okay, are you comfortable with this code, which is a string, all of you?
Yeah.
So practice it. Hello, you see that this is the first one, and second one, third one, fourth one. Now next one which you have to try, which is list. So let me show you. Copy this whole code. So here you see that there's one list and you are trying to access 0 element, which is 0 index, and 2, which is here. So this is the one. There's a one list here you have, and try to slice it from the list 2 to 5. So 2 means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you should see this one. And 0 to 5 means you should 0 to 2. So you 0, 1, 2. So you should see this one. 3, 2, minus 1. So 3 means 0, 1, 2, 3. 3, 2, minus 1. So minus 1 will be coming from here. So it will be to this 2. Now you want to change this element in of the list also. So here see that n0 is equal to orange, which is red. So now it's become orange. And here minus 1, which is, if you see that minus 1, which is violet, which will become a blue to violet. This is the minus 1. You want to add an element to the list, so append, I should talk about it. You can add as well more. So save this code, run this. Here it is. So you should run with the seriousness and see the output, keep it in mind and everything. So many other stuff also you have it, doc string concept, constant concept, and environment variable concept and all I'm not talking about. And so here if you see that there is all these operators codes are there. So arithmetic operators, assignment operators, relational and comparison operator, logical operators, and stuff like that. So let me close everything, and here arithmetic. So arithmetic operator. This is an example for arithmetic operator. How do you do that? So have a little bit time, peaceful time, and then try. So here you have a arithmetic operator, plus, minus, multiplication, division, modulus, and all stuff like that. Okay, so this is the operator for, again, addition, multiplications, and all stuff like that. So here you have assignment operator. Check it out, this one. So x is equal to 15, y is equal to 4. This is arithmetic, sorry, again. This is again arithmetic. This is assignment. So x, this is the one. So assignment operator here. So is equal to, not equal to, less than, equal to, and stuff like that. So you can try this also, and so on. Conditioning, yes, here it is. Simple programs. So many types of conditioning, I put it up here. So whenever you try to find out different types of conditioning, you can do that. So right now here, this one conditioning I'm running. See here, I is the one temporary variable, and every time it will be set between range 1 to 11. That means it will run from 1 to 11. That means 10 times, I guess. 1, 2, 3, 4, 10 times. And print I, and then if I is equal to 5, then break it. So it will print 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, it will print 4, and then it will break it. So let's try. Oh, 5. It has been, okay. Sorry, I is a index. This is the index, and between, so it first time it will print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It will print the 5 and then break it. If I is equal to 5, then break it. Print and then break it. That's the reason it's 5. So this is the way also you can use the conditioning. Now here you have an iterator. So for and while and all small examples you will have it. So this is the one example for, while, and so on. Okay, so now next question is coming to the functions. Any questions so far, all of you?
Thanks for watching. Want to study further? Join our training programs today.